guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, I did purchase from Go Beauty New York. Here is what the unit looks like on the stock card. Now the unit name is Kailyn. She is by Sensationnel. I have her in the color T1B/27. She is a shift for three-way parting. So you can shift her to the left, right, or in the center. She does come in other colors. She is a synthetic unit. And this unit is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. Here's the unit, guys. Straight on out the pack. She does have lace on this unit. She has two combs in the front. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. Here is what the parting space looks like on this unit. Now I have gone on and cut the lace off of this unit, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Ooh! I like this color, y'all. I think I am going to shift her. I'm not going to do her in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and shift her where my part is on the left. Because y'all know I love me a left side part. So I'm just going to go ahead and spruce her up so we can really get into her. Okay. This is Miss Kailyn. Let me go ahead and rate her. I'm going to give Miss Kailyn 4 Ks. And let me explain to you why. I love this color. I love the dark roots. I love the parting space. The parting space is decent. I love the way the hair feels. I love the waves in it. I haven't had any shedding. I have had a little tangling when I did comb her out because I didn't like the way that it was curled. So I wanted to comb her out, but it's up to you. You can do whatever you choose to do with it. Also, what I don't like about this unit is I wish, now I do understand that you could wear this hair in the middle, on the side, on either side. But I just wish that it was layered a little better, if that makes sense. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. But I just wish in the front a little bit, it was just layered. Just a little bit, you know, to frame my face. Like around here, like if it was cut a little more. This is a lot of hair for me. And it's hot as hell. Okay. Like, God damn. But other than that, she's a decent unit. I'm really digging this color. So Miss Kailyn is getting 4 Ks from me. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of her. But I'm really thinking about cutting her. I really think that she would look super duper cute cut. Like, should I cut her right now? I'm thinking maybe I should cut her right now. Look, I'm no stylist, honey, okay? I'm no beautician. I'm a makeup artist. So, I don't know if I would do a good job cutting her, but something in my spirit, honey, something in my spirit is saying cut her. I'm going to cut her. Should I cut her? Should I cut her? I'm going to cut her. Lord, I hope I do a good job. Let me see, y'all. If I cut her, I'm nervous, y'all. Should I cut her? Lord Jesus, should I cut her? If I cut her right here, that's cute. So listen, leave a comment below if you think that I should cut her. And if you think that I should cut her, I'll do another video on me cutting her and what she would look like. But I think she'll look cute cut, honestly. Well, that's all I have on today's unit. Next video, guys, the next payday wig day that I am doing, I am giving that unit away. So be on the lookout for that video. So make sure you turn on your notifications and be on the lookout for KK's 2K giveaway. You guys already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want. Believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.